Hi, I'm Jared Nelson from the Investing Channel, and welcome to The Juice. A lot of weird things happened in the last 24 hours. However, unless you study markets, you probably missed them. We aren't going to get too far into the weeds, but we do want to make sure you see what's going on. First off, let's be clear about something. Bed Bath & Beyond shouldn't exist. The company saw sales drop every year since 2018, along with profits and cash flow. Yet, an announcement by management last night blew up shorts, sending shares up as much as 80% in the after hours. It was reminiscent of the meme stock trades that started back in January with GameStop. But this wasn't the only curveball thrown this week. Transport stocks are going crazy. They're one of the most important economic sectors and the lifeblood of the economy. And this week they went nuts. The Dow Jones Transport Average, a composite of various transport companies, jumped more than 14%. However, the iShares U.S. Transportation ETF barely budged. Why is that weird? Because the main driver, Avis, jumped 215% at its peak yesterday. And this stock makes up 2.3% of the ETF. Alone, it should have added almost 5% to the ETF, which ended up the day 2.24%. This is a highly unusual breakdown between an ETF and the underlying index. So far, we have yet to see an explanation as to why this happened. A huge headline this week was Zillow giving up on home flipping. After months of unsuccessfully buying and selling houses in one of the hottest markets, the company threw in the towel and plans to take a $500 million write-down. They weren't the only ones to take it on the chin. Online education company Chegg missed earnings expectations by 50%, sending shares plummeting almost as much. That takes Zillow down more than 67% from its highs back in February, and Chegg down more than 70% during the same period. Meanwhile, Tesla more than doubled in the background. The bottom line is this: these types of events aren't normal. In fact, they're indicative of structural issues in the market itself. As the Fed pulls back on the gas, we wouldn't be surprised to see events like these become more frequent and problematic. That's all we have time for today on The Juice. Click, follow, and subscribe to The Juice email for your daily dose of market minerals.